Question 1. Write the place value of the following figures. 4 in 64122. So here after 4 we have 3 digits. That is 1, 2, 2. So we will convert all the 3 into 0 and we will have 4 followed by 3 zeros. So 4000 is our place value. Next one, 8 in 83456. So after 8 we have 4 digits. So we will write 4 zeros after 8, which gives us 80,000. 0 in 46078. After 0 we have 2 digits. So we can write 3 zeros. But 3 zeros is equal to 0 only. So you can also write a single 0 here. Question number 2. Write the place value of the following in words. In the previous question, we had written the place value in figures. Now we have to write it in words. 2 threes in 83312. So here we have 2 threes. 1 3 is at the hundreds place and the other one is at the thousands place. Place value of 3 in thousands place, it is 3000, and place value of 3 in hundreds place will be 300. Next one. 2 fours in 64047. Here we have the 4 at tens place and thousands place. So we will write place value of 4 in thousands place is 4000. Place value of 4 in tens place is 40. It is 4 tens. 4 tens is 40. Question number 3. Find the sum of the place values of the underlined digits. We have 5, 8, 9, 5, 1 and both the 5s are underlined. 5 in 10,000's place is 50,000 and 5 in tens place is 50. Their sum would be 50,050. The B part, 74424. Here we have 3 fours at ones place, hundreds place and thousands place. So let us write 4 in thousands place is 4000, 4 in hundreds place is 400, 4 in ones place is 4. The sum of these three numbers, 4000 plus 400 plus 4 is 4404. Now this brings us to the end of solutions. Let us do more on place values now. You had done place values in the previous video too, where we had taken this example and we had found the place value of 8. Just a quick revision. We will copy 8 and all the other numbers on the right of 8 will convert them to 0. So 8 followed by 4 zeros. In figures we will write 8 0 0 0 0. And in words we'll write 80,000. Now a twist with place values. The same example, let me split it up and write. Its place values I'm writing on top. Now if I ask you to find the sum of place values at 100 and 10,000 place, how will we do it? First let us identify what is there on hundreds place. We have 5. And what is there on 10,000 place? We have 8. So we have to find their place values first. So 80,000 and 500. Now we have to find the sum. 80,000 plus 500. Sum is going to be 80,500. Now let us see how can we find the difference of it also. Difference in the place values of these two places. 80,000 minus 500. So that is going to give us 79,500. Okay, this is done. Now, if I ask you, can you change the digit on the hundreds place with the digit on the 10,000 place? What will we do? Hundreds place we have 5 and 10,000 place we have 8. So we will exchange their places. So the number will become 50826. Okay. The same number. Now if I want to change the 0 into 1, what will I do? Let us write the number. Let us see at which place value it is. So 0 is on the thousands place. Now if I have to change 0 to 1, I will have to add 1000 to the number like this. Now my number is 81526. It has 1 in place of 0. Okay, a quick recap. To change the digit at the thousands place, we added 1000. Supposing we have to change the digit at the hundreds place by 1, what will we add? We will add 100. Let us do a worksheet to check your understanding. Worksheet number 5. Question 1. The meter reading of Vinay's car is 95193. Answer the following questions. When 10,000 kilometers more is travelled, which figure will change? That means we have to add 10,000 to this number, and when we will add 10,000, which digit will change? You have to answer that. To change the digit from 5 to 6, how much more distance needs to be travelled? Now we have to first see 5 is at which place. 5 is at thousands place. So we have to increase 5 by 1. What will you add to make 5 into a 6? C part. How many times is the 9 on the left hand side greater than the 9 on the right hand side? So now there are 2 9s in the question. You have to find out the difference in their place value to find out how many times it is greater. Question number 2. Underline the correct place value of 6 in each number. The A part number is 26584. Here 6 is in thousands place. So the correct place value is going to be which one out of the 4, 600, 6,000, 60,000 and 6? It is going to be 6,000. Now this I have done for you. The others you have to do on your own. The numbers are 93268, C part 78623, D part 674125. Question number 3. Rewrite the following numbers by interchanging the digits at the thousands and ones places. Now first one, 85236. Let us see what do you have on the thousands place and ones place. We have 5 in the thousands place and 6 in the ones place. Here you have to exchange the place of 5 and 6. I'm sure you can do it. B part 96214. C part 74521. Question number 4. Rewrite the following numbers by interchanging the digits at the tens and 10,000s place. A part 65214, B 41596, C 81935. Let us look at the first one again and see which digits are on the tens and 10,000s place. We have 6 in the 10,000 place and 1 in the tens place. All you have to do is interchange the place of 1 and 6 and write the new number that is formed. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. I wish you luck with your worksheet, and until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.